Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Custom Division F5 Silk Slim here with me for a quick unboxing and review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So here we have one of the best custom division options from Shirogorov. Let's check out what's in the box. You've got this pretty cool certificate. It's in Russian and it says all the specs for the knife. And it's really interesting. I don't speak Russian, so I cannot read that. But here you have the certificate of authenticity, Silk Slim. You've got the steel, the material of the handle employed, and of course the pivot system used over here. You've got right over here your Shirogorov cloth, of course, and then you have this gorgeous piece right over here. This is the Shirogorov Custom Division F5 Silk Slim in the house. Overall length of this bad boy is going to be 8.75 inches with a 3.875 inch long blade and roughly, I would say, 5-inch long blade handle, sorry. Guys, this is spectacular. This is probably right now at the moment my favorite Shirogorov knife for sure. I mean, I'm sure there's gonna be better options and they're gonna come hopefully in the future, but I'm telling you, this is the best Shirogorov custom division that I've ever touched, that I've ever handled, because it's so good. Titanium frame lock. Beautifully milled out. Look at these lines, these pinstripe lines. Fantastically milled. This is like 3D milled, beautifully contoured, absolutely fantastic skeletonization going on the inside, made in Russia, really expensive. This is not like a cheap one for sure. Titanium backspacer, 3D milled, blue anodized, matching the clip, custom pivot right over here. Also, it's just like tremendously well done. You've got S90V blade, crazy, look at that, polished, mirror polished flat, custom division logo over here, of course, Bear logo right over there. Beautiful. This is like a vapor blast, but it's actually like a stone wash, like really finely done blade. Fantastic custom division jimping. This guy is running on roller bearings, and it's like this smooth. I mean, it's something you need to feel in your hand to understand what I'm talking about. The sound, guys, this sound is the best Shirogorov sounding knife I've ever tried. I mean, fantastic. Fit and finish, spot on. The weight is 3.6 ounces. 3.6 ounces. See, it's fantastic. It's really light. Grip, spot on, perfect. Zero hot spots. Perfect jimping, super smooth. The action was ridiculous. The tent, fantastically dialed in. This guy is running on roller bearings. It's not like multi-row bearings. No, this is next level smooth. And I just tuned it to perfection. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.